Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make 2 coffee using pre-ground coffee. Let's go. Step number 1 of making coffee using pre-ground coffee is to get some pre-ground coffee, as you can see. Never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off, or it could spread through the inside of the machine and dirty it. This could damage the appearance, of course. Never use more than 1 level measure, or it could dirty to inside the machine or block the funnel, of course. And there it is. In this center cover, we have to dip in the pre-ground coffee later. This is the pre-ground spoon. And there it is, fresh pre-ground coffee. We will dip this kind of pre-ground coffee inside the coffee spoon and take care never to use more than 1 level measure. Oh, this is important, okay? If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. This is important too, because there's not enough power to make 2 coffees at one time, okay? Yeah, this is nice. Nice shape and nice level of this. Okay, now first turn the coffee taste machine on, because we do not add the pre-ground coffee to this if the machine is switched off. Okay, there on the left side, this is the on button, sorry about this. And now the machine will perform the first flash. The machine is cleaning, and now we have to look at these switches. Turn the coffee taste selection knob anti-clockwise as far as it will go to the spoon position. This allows to make coffee with pre-ground coffee, of course. And as you can see now, some water is coming out. This is a normal function, because the first time after we get the machine on, or we get the machine out of standby mode, the machine will clean itself by 1 tube flushing a little bit. So, and on the left side you can see the LEDs are flashing. That means the coffee machine is not ready yet. But there's one thing you have to do. You have to fill up the water tank with water. You do not have this to perform every time, but for example, we will perform it now. Dip so much water inside until the maximum range of the tank is reached. This is important too, to have enough water to make fresh pre-ground coffee with the machine, of course. There it is. I will show you the maximum line. This is over there. Wait a little bit. There it is. Okay, there is the maximum level for fresh water inside the tank. Now we have to assemble or get back the tank in position. And now we have enough water to make fresh coffee. Good job again. So, now the machine is ready to use. Good job. Oh yeah. Now we can make a little checkup. Everything is fine. The first flash performance is done. The LEDs are always on. That means the Delonghi Magnifica is ready to use. So, now make sure the funnel is not blocked. Then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Only dip it in the center and let it in. Good job. This is enough 1 cup of coffee. 1 cup. of coffee, 1 cup of cappuccino, 1 cup of espresso, as you like. And as I am showing you not yet, but later. Okay, dip it in 1 time. And inside, the pre-ground coffee will chill a little bit in the tank, and then it will perform your hot coffee. Good job. Now close the cover again. Say salut to the pre-ground coffee. Good job. Now we can begin to make our delicious coffee product. Let's go. So the machine is ready, and Delonghi says only 1 cup of coffee was pre-ground coffee. This is not okay. We will perform 2 cups in 1 time. This will work too. But take care. A little bit of flavor is going down, okay? It's not so much flavor. In this case, I am using recycled pre-ground coffee, so the flavor is going down a little bit more. But as you like, you can handle this. You have to check on the left side, there is a switch to make how large are your cups. Our cups are standard cups, so we will set to the middle plus 2 dots, and on the right side we will set to the coffee spoon. This is the option to use pre-ground coffee. There it is. Good job. Everything is now set. We will not use the bones. We are going to use the pre-ground coffee. Okay, 2 cups are under it, and now we can go and check new one. This is the second cup button. We will push them, and let's start making some fresh pre-ground coffee with a Delonghi Magnifica. This is a cheaper way with pre-ground coffee. The coffee machine is faster to make your coffee, and it's cheaper. It's really cheap to make pre-ground coffee, and of course recycled coffee, pre-ground recycled coffee. A little bit flavor is gone away, but if you are going to have a cheap coffee, this is your way. Now you have to wait only, I think, 20 seconds until your fresh coffee is ready to use. There it comes. Delicious fresh coffee. And take care, only 1 spoon you have to get in the pre-ground coffee slot on the top of the machine. But there is 2 fresh coffee. Maybe you push some sugar on it, and the machine is ready again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.